I'm always getting number 1 plus tuna. I don't take number 2 plus, number 2, or number 1 plus tuna. That's how I'm getting from a fish company. And if I don't have number 1 plus tuna, I will tell customer that I'm sorry, I don't have a good tuna for you today. I know you like tuna today, but I don't have. Please wait till when next time you come back here. I will I will serve you good tuna or a good salmon, or good yellowtail. So wait till next time. And also our sauces is we made in the house, and teriyaki sauce, tempura sauce, eel sauce, and egg sauce. It's in the house. It's special. Hello, my name is Momo, and I own Ninja Restaurant in New Orleans. And today I will show you how to make my very famous and popular crunchy roll. This crunchy roll is my best seller sushi roll. Okay, first we need utensil. We need, of course, knife and a cutting board. Always we need wet towel and a water bowl and bamboo sushi mat. Okay, seaweed. I will put bed of sushi rice on this seaweed. Make very thin. Okay, right now sushi rice on top of the seaweed, and after I finish this one, I flipped over and the seaweed on top. I have a crab mix to make crunchy roll with. About half cup of crab stick, surimi, green onion, and a smelt roll inside already mixed. We call crab mix. Crab mix, I will put some house made in the house egg sauce. That's what this is, egg sauce, like this, and mix inside the crab mix. And makes crunchy roll crunchy is tempura crumb. How to make a tempura crumb is I will show you next time. Okay, this tempura crumb, probably 2 tablespoons of the tempura crumb you will mix inside. And this mixing crab mix with tempura crumb, we're gonna put on middle of the seaweed. Today I will put some asparagus with this crab mix. You can use sometimes cucumber or avocado. I will use today lightly cooked asparagus. Today's asparagus is a little bit too big, so I will cut it in half. Okay, like this. Be careful, it's nice, very sharp. Okay, now put on the middle and sushi rice from your side and go to other end. Make it very, very tight. Okay, like this. Make sure your hand is always clean and use bamboo mat. Make tight this roll. Okay, like this. This is crunchy roll. I will cut this in, some people cut 6 pieces, but I like to cut 8 pieces. That's easier to eat. My mouth is a little bit too small, so I like to have a small bite than big bite. Okay, now I'm going to put this on a plate like this. Now this is a crunchy roll. Okay, now I'm going to make this crunchy roll to special crunchy roll, which I will put some more tempura crumb. Make it wet with our egg sauce. Okay, this tempura crumb you're gonna put on top of each roll, like this. This is very popular also too in my restaurant. Put the tempura crumb, and I will put some pink sauce, eel sauce, and spicy hot chili paste on top. Okay, this is pink sauce. That's what we call, I don't know why we call it pink sauce. It's not even pink. One day, customer come to me and Momo, can I have those pink sauce? Ever since then, we call pink sauce. And we put some eel sauce on top. And hot chili paste. New Orleans people like to eat a lot of people like to eat spicy, so we made a little spicier than regular crunchy roll. Okay, put hot wasabi and ginger. This is our special crunchy roll. はい、どうぞ。Till next time. さよならよ。To buy ingredient or utensil that I use, please check out our store on the website.